Probably wondering why I look like this. Because I just woke up. My hires had to wake up in a matter of 5 seconds. Just go outside.
Go outside.
I'll tell you why, Mom. This is why. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh shoot! I already woken up. Now it's time to run. Mom, I'm about to fall down the stairs. I gotta hold up. I don't want to be crippled. This is how I wake up every single morning. I just run in the snow like this. Oh! Okay, I'm getting out of here. Bro, I just got frostbite all over my feet, dude. Oh, help. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here until my feet start to get warmed up because I can't feel any of my pinkies or piggies down there. I don't know what the hell I just said. So I was just squeezing this, right? This made me so uncomfortable that I threw the thing away, but I had to go get it back because look how uncomfortable it is. It's got pop balloon. Anyways, I'm gonna do my daily stuff that I need to do. And yeah. I've been losing subscribers lately because I don't know what to post anymore. So I've been thinking until I forgot about this channel for a while. Until I found one of my videos on accident. So that made me go do videos again. Oh, going on ahead and subscribe to channel. Nice snowy day. Probably can go sledding. I don't know. And my sister won't be quiet. I missed. Missed again. Alright, my dad's coming. He's gonna grab the balance star. All that. So I'm gonna go downstairs and play some. I'll have to. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna play some monkey tag game. Wow, that was pretty tiring. Did it? See, I got the snowman drip. My sister's afraid to look at the microwave for some reason. Anyways, I'm already, bro, I look so weird in this. Yeah, it's winter yellow. No, dog. Alright, I got done cleaning the things and I'm just gonna rest this arms hurt. Video that you just saw about my arms hurting is because they did. I lift weights, 60 pounds in total. Anyways, you want to see something funny? Now my feet have frostbite for 3rd-degree burns of ice on my feet. How? Wondering, why did I do that? Why did I post that? Got water on my lip. To be honest. Oh, so I made a video of where I had a random sound effect in the background, and it was the best video in the world. And yeah. I don't know why I just did. I was bored. I was bored. What? I'm bored. Out of my mind. I don't know what to do. I know. I'm gonna ring someone's doorbell to keep me entertained. Oh, help! Help! Wait, what's that? Wait, I should scream out help. The phones! The help! I want to scream out help as loud as I can. Oh, shit, I nearly slipped. I slipped. Bro, why is the snow snow like 5 deep feet, dude. Oh shoot. No wait, don't go yet. Some guy just looked at me. I'm going inside. Help! 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 Oh help! Help! He's chasing me! He was looking at me strange. Oh!
Been in the car waiting for nearly 30 minutes. You know why? Because the engine decided to fail on us as midway. So my dad had ran all the way back to our house just to fix it. Now we have to sit here probably for like 5 minutes just to go sledding.
All right, here's Simon. All right. I'm about to slide down it. My man. So fun. Guys, right here, I literally have to take off my glove. Oh, help! Help! Papa! All right, let's get over there. Simon! Not adult. Where? Simon!
You're here.
Okay.
On your hood.
I can't hear. Okay, let's go. I can't run in this type of clothes.
Meet me there.
All right, see you at the mountain. I have to record with my nose. All right, time to go. I got my snowboard. It's pretty good. Go down. Oh. Dude, this snow sucks. Oh. Bro, this sucks. This is booty. Dude, are you serious? I did all that for nothing. Man, gotta go down the fast way. Hold up, let me get ready. My knee. Help! Oh my gosh. Oh. Hold up, I gotta switch the phone around. Alright, Simon. Alright, let's go. Simon! Oh god! Oh! Simon! You're all the way with it! Okay. Oh, my hands are cold.